So today we are going to do homemade applesauce. And it says right here, we need apples, a pot. So apples, a pot, apple peeler. I know it isn't an apple peeler, but we'll just try and use it for an apple peeler. And then we got cinnamon. Okay, so steps. Peel and core apples. So that means you take the apples and you peel them and then you take the core out. An apple peeler and my cutter, which will be the peel and core. This is the core is supposed to go in here and the apples go in here. Okay, first apple. Okay. 2 more apples. Now 1, now 0. Did a little bit of math. Hey. We did peel and core apples. We did chop the apples into small slices. They are small slices, so we didn't have to really do that. So that's just 1. And then put apples into the pot. We did that. And then add enough water to cover the apples, but we're not going to do that. We're only going to do 1 TBS, 15 millimeters. We're going to do 2 15 millimeters of water. It says that under the... Mommy, do you think that is it a little bit? So should we do 3? Maybe 4. And a half. It's kind of that's good. Okay, now we're gonna add cinnamon. You can add cinnamon to taste, which means, what does it mean again? Okay, it means you can add as much as me. Since I really like cinnamon, I'm gonna use a tiny bit more than you would expect to do. Or maybe a lot bit more. That loves. After this, cinnamon, put it on the stove. Now we're gonna put it on the stove. Over we go. So we're gonna cook it until a couple hours until it's soft, like it says on the paper. And this was also my work. It was like the thing that Miss Hunter Butler sent us for homeschooling since we're in quarantine. And it was like where you tell someone like the steps of doing something. I chose this applesauce. So now, since the apples are nice and soft, so as you see, there's a little bubble right there. That's funny. Yeah, we're gonna take it off the stove. Should we get a cooling rack? My arm's getting tired. And just stir it and stir it and stir it and cut the apples. The ones that are still, And that's how you make applesauce. Bye, Mrs. Hunter Butler.